Hey guys, it's your girl Sambonbon back with another video for today. And for today's video, I have my beautiful sister Sarah with me. And today we're gonna be making Christmas themed cocktail drinks. So I'm super excited for this video, mainly because my sister is a star-renowned bartender, right? So she knows everything inside and out. So I thought the perfect person to be on my YouTube channel today would be my sister. So let's just get into the video right now and start drinking. The first drink that we're going to be making is the Peppermint Martini. So for the vodka, we're going to be using the Smirnoff Peppermint. And then for the Irish cream, we're going to be using Kavanaugh. What I really like about the Smirnoff Peppermint bottle is that it actually smells like when you scratch it. Like it smells like peppermint if you want to smell it. I don't know if she smelled it before.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it smells like really good. So I was like, oh my God, I have to try this. This is my first time actually trying the drink itself. And we're going to see how this goes when we actually make the drink itself. So for the rim, what we're going to be using is Hershey chocolate syrup. And then we're going to top it off with some crushed candy canes. And that will be our Peppermint Martini. So we're going to start off with our chocolate. Just going to put this around here. Yup. Hella chocolate. We're doing great. All right, and now we're gonna crush up our candy cane. So this is gonna be a little bit more challenging. So I'm gonna grab like 3 miniature like candy canes. Or maybe like 2 more. So like 5 in total. And we're just gonna literally just go at it.
Strong as shit.
What the, just push it down.
That's it. This is a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah, this is actually, honestly, I don't know how they do this. All right, so this is the rimming we're gonna use, the candy cane, the chocolate right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rim the glass with the chocolate now. I'm a real bartender now.
Yeah.
All right, ooh, there we go. That looks good.
Yeah, good job.
All right, here we go. Now we're gonna do the crushed candy cane. Let's see how well this works. Oh, actually it's working, kind of.
We need smaller pieces.
It's working, trust me. It's working. There we go. Candy cane. Got it. Woo! Look at that rim. That's a nice rim right there. Wow.
Well done.
Now it's your turn. Rim it up.
You left me.
I know, I literally took everything. Come on, bartender, rim that shit up. There we go. Woo!
Lovely.
Yay! Okay. All right, now it's time to make the actual drink. So we got our shaker. We're gonna open that baby up. We're gonna throw our ice in. We are limited on ice, so we will do 4 pieces. Will we have enough for the other ones?
Yes.
Okay, we'll be good. We're doing 4 pieces of ice.
5.
Or 5 pieces of ice. Okay.
The big one.
The big one.
Yeah, because
okay.
we need more liquid.
My sister teaching me great advice.
Great advice, lifelong lesson.
All right.
I look
So
out
we
for
got
you. You will not go thirsty.
Should I do like another one? Okay, so we did 1 shot of the Smirnoff vodka. Now we're gonna do a half a shot of the Smirnoff vodka. So we're doing in total 1.5 shots of Smirnoff vodka. Okay.
I need ounces on this.
I don't know why it says
So 1.5
4 CL
so
on
it's 2
here.
ounces. It's 2 ounces. 1.5.
CL is centiliters. It's just like really small liters.
Okay, I'm pouring however much this fucking big top is.
Yeah, just say use a jigger and for the big side.
I don't know what a jigger is, so
That's a
whatever
jigger.
this big half is, because I'm not a bartender, I'm just gonna pour it in. So we're just gonna go with that. All right, so I put in this big amount of this. So should I put in another big amount or like a smaller amount?
Small.
A small.
Yeah.
All right. For both the vodka and the Irish cream, we put in 1 of the big CL. Okay, the 4 CL, so a shot basically. And then we put a half of a shot, so the 2 CL. Got that in there now. We have our ice already. So now we're just gonna shake it. All right. Shaking it around. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
It's cold, yeah. You're good.
I think it's cold now. I think we're good. All right. Real bartender here. Oh. All right, so we only made enough for 1 drink. So I'm gonna make a second drink because that was only enough for 1. And I'm gonna be making the second drink now.
La 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 la. I'm back. I'm back.
What the fuck is going on? She's already drunk, guys.
I am not. Hello.
All right. So now we got our first drinks. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. That actually tastes really good.
That is really good.
That tastes good. It is strong.
Feel that.
But I like it strong. Yeah, that was good. Jared, you want to try it?
Yeah.
We're gonna bring the cameraman
Production.
on screen.
Yeah,
Production.
There you go.
You can get drunk on the job.
You gotta rate it.
Dang, that is pretty good. It's like
Wow.
10 out of 10.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Wow. Okay, we'll take it.
We'll cut
So
that
Peppermint
out.
Martini.
It's a 10.
Peppermint Martini is 10 out of 10. Ignoring the cameraman.
I give it a 9.
And then we add a little, mini candy canes on the top. You know? Because why not?
Yeah, why not? All right, so the next drink we are making is the Snowflake Russian. We are going to use a whipped vanilla vodka. Then we are going to mix in a coffee liqueur. So this one's called Cafe Guanita, but you guys can use Kahlua, any type of coffee liqueur you find at your liquor store.
Bartender here, guys.
And then we are going to mix in some whipped cream. We got heavy whipped cream, but you guys can get any type of cream to mix it in and add in that thick texture. And then we are going to top it with whipped cream first, and then drizzle on the chocolate syrup, and it's gonna be a nice Snowflake Russian cocktail.
We're gonna do it right now. Let's do it. Okay. All right. So because we are low on ice, we are only gonna make 1 cup of this at the moment. So we're gonna get that out of there.
Samantha.
It's not coming out.
Oh my god.
It's not coming out. Oh, my bad. Like, that's what I was doing. I can't. So, first things first, we are going to take the Smirnoff vodka, all right? And we are going to do, it's the vanilla Smirnoff vodka, right? So we're gonna do 2 shots on the jigger, all right? Not just any shots, it has to be the jigger specifically. All right, we're gonna do 2 shots on the big side, all right, guys? So we're gonna do it, ready? All right. 1, 2, okay. Enough of that. We're not gonna get too crazy. So we're gonna do a half a shot on the jigger of the Cafe Granita.
Granita.
Cafe Granita. We're gonna
Tomatoes, tomatoes.
yeah, fuck it, whatever. Of the coffee liquor, all right. We're gonna do right here. Ooh.
There you go.
Boom. And then we're doing 1 splash. What does 1 splash mean?
Yeah, I would just add it.
All right, we're gonna do 1 splash. All right, splash. All right, we're gonna top some whipped cream on this. All right. Oh.
Just stir that around. Yep, and then
All right,
top
stir
it.
around.
Nice.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
And then we're gonna add some Hershey chocolate on top.
Nice
For the
drizzle.
drizzle. Yes,
Yeah.
the drizzle. All right, she's over here trying to add some like extra garnishes. I'm just trying to drink it.
Here we go. Voila.
All right, girl, bye. All right. So she added a few little broken like candy cane pieces on there. That's optional. I mean, any of this is optional technically, but that's
You
the
have a
most optional.
choice. It's
You
your
do have a
drink.
choice. All right, I'm gonna try it. Ready? It's all through my face.
Literally, you look like you just took a big bite of cake. Like, what the?
Actually, tastes really good. You should try it.
All right.
What are you sniffing it?
Smells like peppermint.
All right. As strong as you.
It is very strong. I will.
Hello.
Take another one.
All right, so I'm gonna give the Snowflake Russian like a 7 out of 10 because it was really good, but at the same time, like I felt like something was just like missing from it. That's just my opinion, but what do you think of it?
I'd like to remake it.
I like to remake it. Okay, all right. Well, we can do that another time. So we're gonna move on to the next drink right now. The last drink that we're gonna be making for today is gonna be the Christmas cookie shot. So what's gonna be inside the drink is gonna be the Kavanaugh Irish cream. Then we're gonna have some of the Butterscotch schnapps, followed by the Cafe Granita coffee liqueur. And then for the rim, we're gonna be using the whipped vanilla frosting. And then I'm gonna be using some red sprinkles. I was trying to find ones that were like red and green, but there was literally only red in the store. So we're just gonna be using red sprinkles, and it's still gonna be great. And we're still gonna drink it, and it's gonna taste amazing. All right, so let's start making the shot right now. So we're gonna start off. We got some ice in here. We were able to find some ice somewhere in our freezer. So we're just gonna use that.
We'll take a jigger and the small portion in here. So it's like what, 0.25 ounces. You're gonna pour of each liqueur. So we're gonna do 0.25 of the coffee. Since we're making 2 shots, we're gonna do 2. And production will get some as well.
Production, yes. The cameraman, yes. We are not forgotten, cameraman.
Yeah, I do. So, but yeah, we're gonna get to that.
All right, we're gonna do 2 half shots of the Irish cream.
So it's all the same for all 3 of them.
Oh, shit. It's okay.
You want to get it in the shaker.
Do it over it.
There we go. All right, we got it.
We did it.
We're doing it.
One more to go.
We're doing it right now. All right, shut up, Siri. And then we're gonna do 2 more half shots of the butterscotch schnapps. Schnapps.
Why don't you just do a full one?
I don't know. So we're gonna close that up. And Sarah's gonna shake this up right now, and I'm gonna do the rimming of the glasses.
All right.
Teamwork.
Hey. Voila.
Voila. Hella on mine.
Oh
All right.
my god. You're so funny.
And now we're gonna put it on the sprinkles. All right.
It's gonna get stuck.
You can do it. You can do yours
Yeah,
first.
I feel like
you
you're
can do
about
yours
to-
first. I'm literally gonna take all
I
the
had a
sprinkles.
disadvantage earlier. You use all the
Yeah, you really did.
Ooh.
There we go.
All right, now it's time for mine.
Wow.
Talking about a rim, that's like a meal right there.
Yeah, you can literally
Still works.
save it for later. Like,
This is my rim.
oh no.
So this one's mine. This one's Sarah's. There's 2 different types of people in this world. Starting with how you rim your drink. Ooh.
Okay, perfect.
All right. All right, and then I gotta pour some for the cameraman, of course.
I don't know if there's enough in there. Oh, it worked. Hey,
Hey, we got 3 shots out of that. Hey, 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 hey. All right, we're gonna have production with us.
Come over and
Uh-oh.
All right, so for the hell of it, we're just gonna add whipped cream on top because why not?
yeah, I'm about to say don't.
All right, it's okay, guys. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of. Oh,
Just a
Let me
little.
do mine.
you want to do
Yeah, you're so funny. Like that. That's like a little bit.
it? Okay, ready? Let's do this. Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. Woo. That was
That's like a whole dessert.
yeah, that was interesting. Let me get that.
A lot of sprinkles. I wasn't ready for that.
I wasn't ready for the whipped cream portion.
Honestly, I forgot there was
Guys,
whipped cream on it.
Mine was like really good.
I had
It was like
a lot
the
of whipped
perfect
cream.
amount of every. Look, and I kept the rib. The rib is still there.
This is how mine looks. Mine looks sloppy as fuck.
That was
All right,
just.
anyways, back behind the camera for me.
Hey.
So this will conclude today's video. I honestly had so much fun making these drinks. What was your favorite drink that we made today? Do you remember the names?
I mean, of course I do.
I was just checking.
I would say that
What?
the last shot that we took was by far my favorite in taste, which was the Christmas cookie shot. But I would have to say I had way more fun rimming the
Hold on.
Peppermint Martini. I think it was a cool, festive, nice aesthetic setup, and I don't know, I had a lot of fun doing that, and I think it would make a great drink to sip on during the holidays.
I had fun rimming the Peppermint Martini as well, just because I thought it was really cool how when we smashed up like the candy canes, like I thought it was gonna be cool like how to see like after, because I feel like I always see that like on like TikToks and stuff, and I was like, it's cool that we actually like mock the drink and like mock the rimming of it.
Came out really
But
well.
I think for taste, the Snowflake Russian, I think that one was really good. We had to change up like how much vodka we put in, which I already updated, like, you know, like on the ingredient list that I showed you guys like while we were making it. I think that after we like made it like less vodka and more of like the liqueurs and stuff, I think it tasted better like that, because the vodka was kind of like outweighing the taste like way too much.
So if you like it really, really strong, then you
Yeah,
go with
yes.
the first choice.
If you like it strong, then go with the first choice that I said in the
You want
video.
it easy to drink.
Exactly.
Drink,
but
then-
yeah, if you want it really strong, then you can follow what I was saying in the video. Or if you want it to actually taste like good and not like be really strong, then follow like what I say on the ingredient list, because that's the right measurements for it, where it actually tastes like good and not too strong. But besides that, I will conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys learned some more Christmas drink ideas. I feel like it was so much fun doing this with Sarah, you know, again, bartender right here. So it's so nice having her on my YouTube today to show us, you know, like what is good and what isn't good and all that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's okay. You can give it a thumbs down. Just comment below what we should have changed. Maybe you should have added, taken away. Maybe there was a favorite Christmas drink that you liked that we didn't make. Maybe next year we can make it for you guys. Because, you know, why not? More alcohol, the more merrier. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I will see you guys for next week's video. Mwah.
Mwah.